Okay, we're gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So first off, we need to get out 2 pieces of bread from the loaf. Next, we're going to put peanut butter on one of the pieces. So we'll open the jar, scoop out the peanut butter, whoosh. And I like a lot of peanut butter, so we're gonna put on a couple scoops of peanut butter. Next, we're gonna put on jam. So we'll open the jam, scoop it out, and put it on the piece. And this is just preference, just depends on how much jam you want. And I like enough jam to balance out my peanut butter. Sorry. This is fresh cherry jam. So then we're gonna squish the 2 pieces together. And we got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.